In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to your Wix website. This is an essential task for ensuring your site complies with privacy regulations and communicates to visitors how their data is managed. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to wix.com using your preferred browser. Once there, you need to click on Login and use your credentials to access your account. This will take you to the main dashboard where all your sites are listed. Next, from the My Sites section, locate the website you wish to update. Click on it, and then select Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is the space where you can make all necessary customizations to your website. Now, let's add a new page specifically for your privacy policy. Look over to the left-hand toolbar and find Menus and Pages. Once there, click on plus Add Page. A prompt will appear asking you to name this new page. Type in Privacy Policy. With the page created, it's time to include the actual content of your privacy policy. To do this, you'll need to add a text box. Simply click on Add, represented by a plus sign, then navigate to Text, and finally Title/Text. This text box will be where you either write or paste your privacy policy content. If you're unsure of what your policy should include, Wix offers a helpful privacy policy generator. You can find this tool by going to Settings, then Privacy and Cookies, and selecting Privacy Policy. It provides a template that can be tailored to your needs. Next, you'll want to ensure visitors can easily find your privacy policy page by linking it in your menu or footer. Return to Menus and Pages and select your privacy policy page. Choose Show in Menu if you want this new page to appear in your main navigation bar. Alternatively, you can manually add it by editing your site's footer if you prefer a less prominent placement. Now that your page is set up and linked properly, it's crucial to save your hard work. So click Save to ensure all adjustments are recorded. To see how everything looks to your site visitors, click Preview to experience the site through their eyes. If everything appears just right, the final step is to click Publish to make your privacy policy page live and accessible to everyone who visits your website. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive solution to adding a privacy policy to your Wix website that keeps both your users and your business protected. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.